Today we're going to be taking a look at the Acer, what is this called? Acer ED242QR. So this is a 1080p 24-inch monitor. It is a curved monitor. I don't know if you can see that right there, but it is a curved monitor. I'm not entirely sure how curved it is. We're going to find that out when we get into the box. 16:9 aspect ratio, supports AMD FreeSync. Has what Acer's calling comfy view, which I'm not entirely sure what comfy view is, but from my understanding, it's kind of like a matte anti-glare coating. They also have, it's also a flickerless panel. I don't know if you can see it somewhere down here. It's a flickerless panel, and it also has Acer's blue light shield thingy, which is essentially a glorified blue light filter. What else am I forgetting to mention? Oh yeah, this is a 144 Hz monitor, so pretty fast refresh rate. Has a pixel response time of 4 milliseconds. It is a VA panel, so kind of a mix between IPS and TN. So you get somewhat similar color reproduction to an IPS, and in some cases better contrast ratio than an IPS. And you can also hit those pretty low pixel response times and higher refresh rates. But VA panels do tend to suffer from things like backlight bleeding and ghosting, so I'm not sure how that's going to stand up. Anyway, let's actually get into the box. Well, I can't find my stabby box cutter of death, so we're just going to stab the crap out of it with a screwdriver. I don't know how quickly I'm going to be able to get this open. Hopefully quick enough. Yeah. Seems to be actually working pretty well, though. Hey, look at this. Oh, stab the crap out of the box with a screwdriver. So, let's go ahead and get this open. Should be all the tape. Yep. Everything, maybe. There we go. Alright, so opening up the box, we are first met with some styrofoam. Let's go ahead and actually get the monitor out here. This is actually the professional recommended way of getting the monitor out of the box. Just to shake the hell out of it. There we go. Oh. Something fell. There you go. Alright, let's throw that over there. Alright, so throw this over here. Opening it up. Okay, wow. Alright, opening the box up here, met with the actual monitor here. We'll take a look at that in a second. Let's first take a look at the accessories. So it looks like we have our power brick here, the cable that goes with it. No, that's not a, what is this? We'll come back to that. Power cable, yeah. We have a power brick, power cable. We also have here, it looks like a, I am not sure what this is. Either a VGA or a DVI connector. I think that's DVI. I don't know. One of the two. I'll put it somewhere on screen. And then an HDMI connector. Yeah, we have an HDMI cable here. And then the stand. So I guess let's go ahead. Oh, and the manual. Let's go ahead and actually take the monitor out here. Get styrofoam all over my room. So this is a white monitor. So if you're into white monitors, then this might be a monitor for you. Well, nice bag. Alright, so it is curved, as you can see. It's not a super express curve, but it is curved. I'm not sure how much that's really going to affect your, your peripheral vision, whatever, but it is curved. Let's go ahead and actually put the stand on. Alright, so we now have the stand attached. It actually isn't attached at all, but you can stand it up now. I don't know how well I'm going to be able to show this. I'm going to take this off, but it does have some degree of tilt here. It does not, yeah, it's definitely not base mountable, so you can't change out the stand if you wanted to, and this doesn't really seem like that amazing of a stand. It looks like it does, yeah, it doesn't have any rotation, just tilt, which is kind of disappointing, and it's made out of plastic. Oh, I forgot to mention, the price of this monitor I think came in around $200. I think I bought it for a little cheaper than that, like $170 or $180, but the Amazon listing showed $200, so it's not cheap, but it's not like $1,000 expensive. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my unboxing and first look of the Acer Q24, whatever it was. I said it at the beginning. You don't even want to know what it was, go back and check. Or look at the title. Anyway, thanks for checking it out. If you enjoyed, leave me a like. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. Leave a comment, tell me what you think, and I'll see y'all later.